This week, it's time to step away temporarily from the perennial trees and give attention to the fleeting stars of summer, the annual plants that rush to sprout, fruit, and fade within a single season. Few plants embody this urgent yet generous spirit, quite like the cucumber. Crisp, cool, and versatile, it's a vegetable that feels like summer's cheerful emissary. Our first experience with homegrown cucumbers, 8 years ago, felt magical. From a humble packet of seeds, we watched an exuberant, botanical display, vines quickly climbing, bursting with buttery yellow flowers, each flower transforming almost overnight into slender, emerald green fruits. For weeks, we harvested abundantly, enjoying cucumbers fresh from the vine, tossing them into stir-fries, and of course, letting one mature to a golden color to save its seeds. That first year, cucumbers spoiled us completely. Suddenly, supermarket cucumbers lost all their appeal. But cucumbers, like many enthusiastic relationships, are full of surprises. The following year, our plants seemed determined to teach us humility. Seeds took their sweet time to sprout. The vines languished rather than surged. When fruits appeared, they were quirky, twisted and stunted, in shapes you'd never see in a grocery aisle. Yet their flavor still delighted us. Even these imperfect cucumbers burst with unmistakable sun-ripened sweetness. Commercial growers might discard such oddities, but we appreciated their uniqueness, though I'll admit, the year we grew cucumbers shaped like punctuation marks, question marks, and commas tested even my optimism. This unpredictability has become part of their charm. Some seasons, our heirloom seeds flourish. Others, they're overshadowed by nursery seedlings. Like this year's transplants from Lowe's, prolific producers of healthy-looking cucumbers. Although my mum insists they don't taste as good as those grown from our home-saved varieties. Now, her second sowing of heirlooms is stretching its leaves toward the sun, quietly promising, just wait and see. From seed to salad bowl, cucumbers live with remarkable urgency. Tiny sprouts quickly unfurl heart-shaped leaves, fringed with delicate hairs that trap the morning dew. Soon, vibrant yellow flowers emerge, some solitary on delicate stems, females, each one a potential fruit, others grouped boldly together, males, eagerly visited by pollinators. Once pollinated, the real magic begins. The flower's base swells into a miniature cucumber, its surface prickly with youthful potential. Within days, it elongates, its spines soften, and its color deepens into that familiar, refreshing green. And the crunch of a homegrown cucumber. That first bite is summer distilled, juicy, crisp flesh, with subtle floral notes, free from the blandness of supermarket varieties. Nutritionally, cucumbers are hydration heroes, 96% water, packed with vitamin K and silica, an essential mineral for healthy glowing skin. In traditional Chinese medicine, cucumbers are considered cooling, eaten to combat summer heat, or applied topically to soothe tired eyes. Cucumbers are particular plants. They demand plenty of sunlight, yet wilt under harsh afternoon rays. They crave consistent moisture, but strongly dislike soggy soil. It's a balancing act, often complicated by powdery mildew and spider mites. Mildew arrives quietly, coating leaves like a dusting of flour. Spider mites weave their tiny, troublesome webs beneath. Our homemade baking soda spray helps slow mildew. But when mites take over, we've learned the value of letting go. Gardening experts wisely advise bagging infested plants, not composting them, a hard truth for a no-waste gardener. Cucumbers remind us that not all gifts are meant to last. Their vines inevitably wither at summer's peak, leaves turning brown, crisp, and dry. Yet, within their brief season, they offer abundant harvests and gentle lessons in adaptability, humility, and appreciating imperfection. So here's to the cucumber, our summer companion, sometimes predictable, often surprising, always refreshingly crunchy. May we continue to appreciate its brief yet abundant presence.